bittersweet moment. While it was hard to leave island life and the friends we'd made, we were also excited to come home and get ready for our next adventure. After a quick catch up in Sydney, we decided to get away and make the most of the time we had before we started at work. We were heading north to chase the elusive Jewfish. It's always a bit overwhelming coming back from island life. Fast food, everything you need just a click away, huge supermarkets and highways. It was good to be easing back into it. Going camping is a sure way to clear one's head and recharge the batteries. Michael was keen to open his Mulloway account for the season, and I was keen to shoot my first. We got geared up and jumped in to find some crystal clear water loaded with bait.
And I know it's just a dream, but I feel it in my veins, pulling me away. When it brings me
With plenty of stingrays around, we hung out on the sandy drop-off, hoping for a mackerel or cobia to come through. With no luck, it was time to head into the wash to chase some jewfish. The further out we went, the dirtier it got.
Water gets too high, and they're drowning in their pride, with no place to go. I will slip away.
After a few hours of what I can only compare to being in a washing machine, we decided to pull the plug and head in, which is when we came across a school of jewfish chilling out in the calmest and clearest water we'd seen all day.
Jess, in front of you, what are you doing?
I waited for the fish to turn away so I could dive. With Michael as anxious as I was about landing my first jewfish, he dived down and put a second shot in.
That. Got there, Jess?
Oh, my first jewfish.
Nice one.
The next day, Michael was itching to get back out there. It was his turn and he didn't disappoint. stoked that after a couple of days up the coast we were able to land the fish we had come here to hunt. We had a huge filleting job ahead of us. Added to that, we also decided to print the big Jewfish. We grabbed our paints and set to the task of printing the Jewy after it cooled down in the esky.
Because it's water-based, it just completely washes off.
After a few hours of printing, cleaning and bagging the fish, it all went in the esky so we could take it home to freeze and enjoy it for the weeks to come. After our epic cleaning session, Michael cooked up some fresh abalone for lunch that he'd grabbed on another dive during our trip. What you cooking there, Michael?
Creamed abalone.
How do you cook it?
Fry the onions in some butter and then chuck in some Keen's curry powder to taste. Throw the abs in for about 30 seconds. Bit of cream on top. Eating on a piece of toast. Beautiful.
With our bellies and coolers full, we were content, happy to be home and soaking up the summer vibes.